Hi, welcome back. In this video, we're going to be talking about videos in HTML. We're going to look at how to add videos to our HTML documents. We're going to look at how to resize videos, the different controls we can add to our video element or video file, and also the different formats and video types that we can also make use of in our web page. So that said, let's dive in. So I'm going to type on Shift S1 or just try to get your exclamation mark. You will see the Emmet auto suggestion pop up. Just type on tab or enter. So this is it. Let me rename this HTML. Sorry, let me use caps. HTML. One of the caps. Videos. Sorry, videos. Yeah. All right, save. Now our page is now HTML videos. So let's come here and let's preview that. Actually, I'm going to delete this. So this is our page here. This is our page here. We can see the page is blank now. So let's put in some videos. So back to our code editor. To insert videos in our document, we use the video tag. So as you might have guessed, we type video and then we get the auto suggestion here from Emmet and press enter or tab. Then you get the full thing populated for you. So we can see the video is similar to the image tag. The video also has the source attribute, which is also the same thing that the image attribute has. So this is to specify the part where the video will be inserting in our video in our document is. So to do that, let me open up here. We can see I have the video sitting down in this folder here. There are other files in it as well. So type on // and then click on the desired file, the desired video file, save. And let's take a look at the results in our web browser. Refresh. Now we can see that the video here is taking up the entire space, the entire viewport. To change this, we can add the height and width attributes to for the sake of knowing which file we are using. Let's take a look at the video so that we are sure that we are using the same video. Now let's play it here. You can see that this video is actually working. So let's make our video visible to the user. So we put in the width and height. Let's make the width measurement, the unit of measurement is still pixels here. So let's make the width 200 pixel and be mindful aspect ratios. The height, let's make it 100. Height should be 100 pixels. Let's save. Let's go back to our web browser and refresh. Boom, it is too small. So let's make it bigger. So I'll put this to 300 and this to be 200. Let me just add 100 pixels. Refresh. It's too let's go back again. Sorry. Let me make it 500 and this 400. Let's refresh again. Okay, this is better. I will just zoom in on it. Now we can see this video is quite visible to the user and we can see every part of it, but there's something missing. We can't play this video, we can't do anything with it. It's just appearing as an image to the user. So to do this, to add this play, you know, adjusting the volume and all of those features that every video has, we use the control attributes. So to do that, we go back to our code editor here, and then we add the controls attribute to it. Now, this is a very powerful attribute that that adds functionality to our HTML video. So let's go back to our web browser and take a look. So refresh. Now we can see we have loads of features added to our video. You can see we have the play button. We can now play our video. Our video is playing now. We can mute the volume. We can adjust the volume. We can make it full width to fill up the screen. And we can also have other features like playback speed and picture-in-picture mode. So, which is actually very, very cool. So, that's it for videos. Let me see what we've not covered yet. Oh, now we'll take a look at video formats. So what kind of formats does HTML accept? So HTML accepts various MP4 video formats. We have the WebM format. These formats are just the names of the file followed by dots, the extension. So that's basically it. There are a lot of formats HTML actually supports, but it also depends on the browser, if the browser actually supports that format. Otherwise, the video will not appear on the page. So let's take a look at one last thing, which I've always been curious of, but I've never tried it before. Let me take a look at, let me change the name of this file here, and let's see what will happen. Go back here, like you might have guessed. Now the video is still showing. We can see this window here, but then there is no there is no video appearing in this window. So the video frame is existing, so the video window is there, but there is no actual file playing in that video. Let's see whether it accepts the alt attributes. I don't think so. The video element does not accept the alt attributes. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.